Today I am going to share one shocking truth about PCOS with you all. And that is that in India only more than 1 million cases are registered per year. Yes, it is quite a huge number. So nowadays this is an extremely common disorder. And in majority of the patients, insulin resistance is the main reason. So what this insulin resistance do? Actually, it creates lots of problems like obesity, high BP, diabetes, high cholesterol levels, menstrual irregularity, facial acne, hair fall, facial hairs, infertility, lots of problems. So this is obviously not a fatal disease, but it will drain you emotionally, mentally and physically. So in this video, I will explain what is this insulin resistance. Yes, and how can Ayurveda help you like this. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are going to like this video, so watch carefully, but please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get updated with all my latest videos. So let's get started. So first question that comes in mind, that what is insulin? Insulin is a hormone that's secreted by beta cells of pancreas. Now what insulin do? When we eat our food, all the glucose, all the sugar that present in our food, that is absorbed by the liver cell, the muscle cell, and insulin stimulates these cells to absorb all the glucose, all the sugar and turn into energy. Very simple. But when insulin resistance happens, cell doesn't respond well. We are eating all kind of food, sugar is there, glucose is there, but these cells are not absorbing. So it will not turn into energy and the blood glucose, blood sugar level increases. So now the blood glucose level is high. So you can be a diabetic or a pre-diabetic. Cholesterol issues can occur and all the metabolism is disturbed now. So BP issue can also occur and you will also feel extreme fatigue because cells are not turning glucose into energy. And now the insulin, the pancreas will increase the secretion of insulin. Why? Because it wants to stimulate the cells, but cells are not responding. Then insulin will also increase. Now increased insulin will affect your sex hormones. Yes, and when the sex hormones are disturbed, obviously your cycle will be disturbed, ovulation will be disturbed. Most of the time it is anovulatory cycle, menstrual irregularities are there, lots of problem. So this is the whole process. Now the question is that what are the causes of insulin resistance? So the answer is very simple. The major cause is your poor diet and poor lifestyle. Yes, this is the major cause what I feel. And over stress, obviously this is also a reason. Nowadays people are very much stressed out because of job, because of other things. So this is the other reason. And genetical, this could be also a reason. But according to Ayurveda, see, Ayurveda sciences totally depend on the three dosha, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. And Ayurveda says that Pitta and Kapha dosh imbalance when it happen, and these doshas will associate with the Ama dosh. Ama dosh means toxins of your body. Then it will leads to blockage in pancreas, blockage in liver. And that will lead to insulin resistance or diabetes. So Ayurveda is a very ancient science and 5000 years ago this was explained. So now let's talk about the treatment. If you are facing all these kind of symptoms, whatever I have told you, then definitely there is insulin resistance in your body. Doctor most of the time do some blood test like OGTT or blood sugar test or HbA1c. Sometimes the values are raised. Then it is very clear, but sometimes values are not raised. Your everything, your sugar is in range, but you are facing this kind of problem. Then maybe you are going towards the insulin resistance. On that time, you can also take this Ayurvedic treatment, whatever I am going to tell you. So first, let's talk about the diet. Yes, you have to cut all the carbohydrates, glucose in your food. Cut all the carbohydrates and fat, obviously. This is the basic funda. I know it is very hard, but you have to change your habits and avoid all the refined product, processed food, junk food, frozen food. Just avoid all these things, okay? Just stick with healthy, easily digestible, home cooked food. Now let's come to the lifestyle. So we have to follow a very good lifestyle if we want to get rid of this problem. And exercise is must. If you are having a sedentary lifestyle, then it is going to be very tough for you. There is no medicine that can treat you. Exercise is the main medicine. And I always say that add yoga and pranayam in your lifestyle. It will really help you because it opens your channels of the body. So yoga and pranayam also help you. Okay, so just follow each and everything. Now let's talk about the Ayurveda medicines. So there is one home remedy which is very effective and I am using from years. Trust me, this is really very effective. So use this from today. And it is very simple. You have to take fenugreek seeds 100 grams, cinnamon 100 grams and grind it, make a powder and mix it well. Now very easy, just take half teaspoon in morning empty stomach and in evening empty stomach with warm water. That's it, very simple. But effects are miraculous. Yes, it will enhance your metabolism, which actually we want if we are suffering from insulin resistance. So from today you can add this home remedy. Now let's talk about the medicine. So you have to take Chandraprabhavati and Arogyavardhanivati 2 tablets twice a day after half an hour of your meal, after your breakfast and after your dinner. And Phaltrikadikwat. Obviously, you have to add this because it has tremendous effect. Take Phaltrikadikwat 10 ml, add 10 ml of water in this and take before your breakfast, before your dinner. So follow all these things and definitely you will get rid of this problem. If you want to consult me, you can talk to me by this number. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my video.